a minute away going to SLEX, half an hour drive going to Tagaytay, and walking distance to Enchanted Kingdom, which is, if you're into Airbnb business, this might be the one you're looking for. Hello everyone, Mike here, your realty buddy. I present to you Calm Residences. Good morning everyone, we are here at Calm Residences and today I'll be sharing to you the reasons bakit nga ba maganda mag-invest now kay Calm Residences. If you've watched our previous video na share ko sa inyo doon about the developments update happening here in the South, and that is why Calm Residences is a great investment to start dito kay Santa Rosa, Laguna. So Calm Residences is an SMDC project here at Santa Rosa. It will be composed of 17 buildings with a total of 2,926 units. So nag-average ng 46 units per floor. They offer a studio, 1 bedroom, and also combined units. It has 3 main viewpoints, which is the amenity view, the Central Park view, and the linear park view. And as for me na investor din dito kay Calm Residences, it's so nice to see that developers right now, particularly here in Santa Rosa, that are whenever they are developing a project, they are incorporating green sa mga developments nila. Kaya di ba, it's so nice to see na you get to live or you get to see a community that is environmental friendly. Dito na nga lang tayo kay Calm Residences, it will feature Central Garden and Serenity Garden. And aside from that, meron din silang mga amenities like pavilions, gazebo, covered basketball courts, even function rooms, and also parks that is dedicated for our kids. Now the question is, why is Calm Residences a great investment choice here in Metro Santa Rosa? First, it is location. It's literally a minute away going to Expressway. Kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung project, tapos ito na agad yung Santa Rosa exit. So kung working ka sa Makati, Alabang, or even in Manila, or going to far south like Batangas and Quezon Province, hindi mo na kailangan pa mag-worry na kailangan mo mag-drive bayan-bayan just to get through Expressway kasi ito na agad si Santa Rosa exit. In terms of transportation, may mga dumadaan dito mga public transportations like buses, commuter vans, and even Grabs na matagal nang available dito sa area na to. Talking about hospitals and schools naman, ang pinakamalapit na hospital dito is UniHealth Santa Rosa. And if you're going to Nuvali, may malapit din dito like the Medical City of South Luzon and the Qualimed. Pagdating naman sa mga schools, since malapit tayo sa expressways, accessible sa atin si Malayan Collegiate of Laguna, which is at 2 exit away lang dito sa Calm Residences. Of course, accessible din si FEU Alabang. And hindi na din tayo lalayo dito sa area. Dito pa lang meron ng STI, UST, and De La Salle Laguna Campus. As we know, whenever SMDC projects is being built, talagang pagbaba mo doon, lahat nandun ang mga kailangan mo. And that's how Calm Residences being accessible and convenient sa lahat. And dito kay Calm Residences, there are spaces that are intended for commercial. Ibig sabihin nun, they are building or giving you a lifestyle that is sustainable within its community. I also live in a community that is very accessible, guys. Kaya na-appreciate ko yung mga ganitong klaseng mga projects. Kasi I have a daughter and whenever magpupunta kami sa mga hospital to have a check-up, hindi kami nag-worry na matatraffic kami because how convenient hospital is sa area namin. And that's the community that you have here at Calm Residences. Next is its affordability. Did you know that Calm Residences is one of the most affordable here sa Santa Rosa, Laguna? They still offer units that is non-vatable pa. Imagine, instead of paying 12% sa tax, pwede mo na yung ilaan para sa pagpapa-fit out or pagbili ng appliances or furnitures dito sa investment mo. And para sa akin, malaking bagay yun. Aside from that, did you know that the other fees and miscellaneous fees na tinatawag natin is included na habang nagma-monthly down payment term tayo dito kay Calm Residences. So you don't need to shell out a big amount of money from the start. May mga instances kasi na hindi ito na i-disclose minsan ng mga brokers or sellers natin na nakakausap. Worst case scenario, baka magalit si client or ma-forfeit yung unit na nakuha nila dito. And yun yung mga ina-avoid natin. But dito kay Calm Residences, you don't need to worry kasi habang nagba-monthly down payment pa lang tayo, kasama na yung other fees or miscellaneous fees sa payment natin. Gaano nga ba ka-affordable si Calm Residences? Guys, kahit near completion na si Calm Residences, itong project na to, they still offering flexible payment terms. Imagine you can have an investment here for as low as 15,000 per month. So very affordable, lalo na sa mga tinatawag nating DINK or yung dual income no kids or yung DINK1. Dual income no kids with a dog. And that is one of the reasons of our client kaya sila nag-invest dito kay Calm Residences. Kasi para sa akin na investor din dito, instead of putting all our money sa bank, pwede ko itong ilaan or ilagay sa investment na potential for capital appreciation and an asset that is tangible and liquidatable. Next is its business potential. Airbnb business has been here for so many years na. And alam natin na si Enchanted Kingdom, they are still continuously adding attractions and at the same time, may mga bagong establishments within the theme park. And isa yun sa mga naging dahilan din namin kung bakit kami nag-invest din kay Calm Residences. I also had experience working in Enchanted Kingdom and meron kami tinatawag dyan na wooden gate na kung saan pagbukas yun, ibig sabihin, umabot sa 3,000 to 5,000 guests yung nasa theme park. But that was post-pandemic pa. Now, they can cater up to 10,000 to 12,000 guests. So imagine the potential of your daily rental dito sa area na to. And also with the presence of Starbucks and Cafe Mary Grace here at Enchanted Kingdom, ibig sabihin lang nun, there is really a market demand. Imagine if you have a unit na nearby dito kay Enchanted Kingdom and you have a market which is 10,000 to 12,000 guests every day. Ibig sabihin lang noon, kulang pa din talaga kahit mag 10 units ka kay Calm Residences. But since Calm Residences has its own amenities, hindi lang si Enchanted Kingdom yung pwede nating i-offer within Calm Residences. Andyan yung mga pools, andyan si Tagaytay which is half an hour drive lang going to Tagaytay. Kaya ang tendency niyan, kung may magbubook man sa Airbnb rental mo, dun kay Calm Residences, pwedeng potentially 3 days or 2 nights, yung mga ganong klaseng mga bookings ang matatanggap mo. Kasi hindi lang naman si Enchanted Kingdom yung pwede nating i-offer kay Calm Residences. And lastly, it can be financed through Pag-ibig financing. It's an advantage for those who are doing monthly contributions kay Pag-ibig kasi you can utilize and maximize it to have an investment here kay Calm Residences. As we know, Pag-ibig is one of the financing institution that offers lowest interest rate as long as you have at least 2 years of monthly contributions. And syempre, pasok pa rin dapat sa income natin. With all of that reasons that I shared to you, Calm Residences is really a great investment, lalo sa mga nag-umpisa pa lang. Kasi hindi mo kailangan maglabas talaga ng malaking pera just to have an investment here. Aside from its location, its flexible payment terms, the business potential is really the advantage of this project. Yun talaga yung USP ng project na to. Lalo na yung mga nag-aim na magkaroon ng daily rentals or Airbnb business dito sa area. At ang pinakamahalaga doon, you have an investment for your future. So if you're interested to invest here at Calm Residences, don't hesitate to message me. I'll be leaving my contact details below and I am much more excited to discuss more about this project and tour you around here at Calm Residences. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel para updated ka sa real estate contents and kwentos natin. So again, this is Mike, your realty buddy. Let me help you with your property investment.